How to add Al Rajhi card to Apple Wallet in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your Al Rajhi bank account card to Apple Pay. So first of all, you have to open the Al Rajhi bank app and launch the official Al Rajhi bank mobile application on your iPhone, and you have to then select your card, navigate to the card section and choose the specific Al Rajhi card you want to add to your Apple Wallet. And after that, you have to initiate the process, like look for and tap onto the add to Apple Wallet or similar option with the card settings. And after that, you have to follow the instructions, like you have to accept the terms and condition, review and accept the terms and conditions for using Apple Pay with your Al Rajhi account or card. And after that, a Al Rajhi bank may require verification of your information, which could include answering a phone call and entering the authentication code sent to your registered mobile number. And once the verification is successful, your Al Rajhi card should be successfully added to your Apple Wallet and you can start using Apple Pay. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.